One of the benefits here at Callan JMB is the breadth of our subject matter expertise. We have individuals that were part of the original inception of the Strategic National Stockpile for the United States. Over the years, we've evolved in our ability to train local jurisdictions, build up their capability to not only operate a singular model that they have themselves in hand, but also to be able to stand up and expand for the receipt of national assets when they come down to the jurisdiction. When you're thinking about materials being deployed to you for further use, there's not a use case for a single pallet of small gloves to go to one institution. With QA/QC, we go through the process of validating for every clinical interaction. We're going to need a set of gloves, a gown, a mask, potentially eye protection, or another component. And we use those pieces as resources come in to identify the number of individual clinical utilizations can be built into a single kit. So when we talk about the Strategic National Stockpile, or you're talking about your own agency or jurisdiction stockpiles, we would be providing the guidance on how to characterize all those individual components and equally sort them to manage a particular need. So for a clinical application in a hospital, a single kit could be built for 50 patients and 100 clinicians, 3 touches a day for 24 hours. The idea is you want to balance your available inventory so you're not doing pick, pack, and sort in the middle of crisis. You have kits already built and ready to meet the needs of an institution or a jurisdiction.